No one, I think.
Even if you guys are based out of Bangalore and not yet registered, the tickets are still there. So make sure you do come. It'll be a really cool event. But I
Okay.
think I don't think we'll have more people joining in. I've scheduled one of that.
Yes. Okay. Great. I hope everyone here. First of all, let me know any like who like people who have still not got the credentials yet and not been able to access the course on Accubate.
Actually, I didn't get any credentials right now, and I am also facing the problem in login with OTP actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the error that it's showing it to you, Ashit? What error is it showing it to you?
What?
What error is it showing it to you?
Like
Like
OTP ही नहीं जा रहा उसमें email पे.
you are not getting the OTP.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Have you entered the correct email ID in your application form?
Yeah, yeah,
Were
yeah.
you able to
Also,
access it earlier?
I also cross-checked with your email that you saying that you're saying actually.
Okay.
Okay. We'll look into it. Okay. Anyone else who still not has the access? Okay, then good. I think Harshit, your point is noted. We'll get back to you on your problem.
Okay.
Anyone
Thank you.
else who has any questions about the course, who have like anyone, first of all, let me know who has gone through the course right now, seen the first module.
Hi, Akshay. It's
Yes,
Sam.
hi. Sam. Yes,
I'm
hi.
having some trouble owning the camera. I hope it's fine.
Okay, yeah, please.
Yeah, so Akshay, I have gone to the course. So there
Hmm,
was one assignment type of thing where you have to write the problem statement in a paper and submit it.
hmm,
But
hmm.
I wrote it, but when I was clicking on that, I was not able to update it, like upload the
Upload it.
picture. Yeah.
Okay. Has anyone else faced a similar problem?
Yes, I think in module two, but it says week one submission and it's a hyperlink. When I click
Hmm.
on it, it takes me to another page, but then it says failed fetching course details, and
Huh,
it
so
doesn't open.
module 2 is not open now. We'll open it after this session.
Okay.
So module
I
2
mean,
is not open.
I
Yeah.
can see the course material though, and it's
Okay.
just the week one submission. When I click on it,
Hmm.
then it takes me to another page, but then it doesn't. It says error fetching course details. So, but I can see all the course material, and I think the videos as well, the knowledge
Okay.
hub toolkit, that
Okay.
stuff as
Yeah,
well.
but I think that's the first module till now that we have opened.
Okay,
Post
okay.
that we'll open it week by week.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So I mean, I couldn't submit it
You couldn't
because.
upload. So we'll look
Mm,
into that if you're not being able to upload
right.
it.
I also have a couple of
Hmm.
questions if I can ask right
Yeah,
now.
yeah, sure. Yeah, this is for
Right.
question answering only.
So
Yeah.
so I
Hmm.
also wanted to understand because there was no timeline mentioned or a deadline for the week. So is
Hmm.
it usually assuming that Friday is the deadline when we have to
Yes.
submit the
Yes.
thing?
So
Okay.
each Friday we will open up the new modules. Uh,
Mm,
so there are 9 modules which will be covered in 6 weeks. The four
right.
weeks have concept where you usually have
Mm-hmm,
to go through the recordings, all the
mm-hmm,
documents, all the assignments.
mm-hmm,
The post 4 or 5 modules are for you to apply that. So basically, where you will be mostly having assignments. So let's say
mm-hmm,
if you identify your customer, one of the modules
mm-hmm,
says that you probably, let's say, if you're a B2C customer, go and talk to 30 customers or take
mm-hmm,
interview of 30 customers. If you're
mm-hmm,
the B2B venture, probably this will be for you to like take a interview of 5 B2B customer of yours. So those kind
right.
of interviews that we have, we'll have Friday to Friday deadline for that. And these
Mm-hmm,
all are accounted, and this also
mm-hmm,
counts when you will sit for your reviews in January,
right,
right?
right. So for week one, it was the problem statement and the
Yes,
customer persona. So I
yes.
mean, should I just maybe send the Word document to you if it's not
No, no,
fixed by tomorrow?
we'll fix it by tomorrow. We'll fix it by
Sure.
tomorrow. Don't worry about
Perfect.
it. Yeah.
Another
If
question that I had.
Yeah, just wait.
Sorry.
If something is there from our end, we'll fix it.
Mhm,
So don't worry about it. Don't worry about that timeline. But
mhm.
if let's say two people are able to access it and you are the only one who's not, probably then we'll take it separately.
Right. Okay.
Yes, continue.
Perfect. So another question that I had was like 2 days ago, when I opened the Accubate app, I could
Hmm.
see the starter profile
Hmm.
where I remember in the orientation you were supposed to fill in all the details or the legal
Yes.
documents as well, but I can't see it anymore when I opened it yesterday for some reason.
Okay.
It
Has
shows.
anyone else faced the same problem? Not been able to
Second.
update their profiles?
Yes, sir, facing the same problem.
Yes, same.
Okay. 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 Then I'll also check for this one as well. Uh, Noted. Noted.
Okay. Hi, Akshay. One more thing.
Hmm.
I think I'm not able to access the resource part as well.
Resource part, there's nothing right now in resource part that's available in the like post phase one.
Okay, got
Yeah.
it. And the same again when I'm clicking on the week one submission link,
Hmm.
again it's telling the error while fetching the some error is coming while fetching that. It's open the new tab and the same
Hmm.
problem what he said. Yeah.
Sure, sure, sure. That is noted. Noted. Yeah.
Okay.
Right, and I
Hmm.
remember there was another thing
Hmm.
mentioned in the, I think in the kickoff or the orientation, where we talked about, I think the NSR cell toolkit, where we had all the details of all the startups who are offering things,
That
I
will only
guess.
be available for the people who will clear the review. So this will be
Right,
post January.
perfect. Okay, I think that was it for me. Thank you. I think it clears all my doubts for now.
Okay. So I'll give you the whole calendar-wise update as well, what you need to do. So as I was telling, we'll open up every module, each module week by week. So right now we already opened the module one last week. Each week on Friday, we have decided that each Friday we will open the module so that you can utilize your weekends as well for accessing the modules. So each week on Friday, we'll open up the new modules. You won't get I don't think you will get a separate notification, but keep checking on each of the Fridays that the new module is open or not. Okay. The idea is that, okay, on December, mostly after fourth module, uh, you will have groundwork, basically, where now you identified the customer personas. Now you know what your problem statement is. Now basically you have to act on it. Like if you identified your customers, now you are going and taking the interviews. The modules also talk about what to cover in interviews, what you are asking. So doing all the groundworks. On from 24th to 3rd of January, 4th of January, the NSRSL goes into downtime. So we won't be here, but you will have access to modules. But we'll give you all the calendars, all the work and everything. Um, Once we get from the downtime, on January 5th and 6th, which will send you emails also for this, but I'm just telling you because now most of you are here. On 5th and 6th, we are going to have our reviews. Now, in reviews, what happens usually is a similar thing. What you did in your panel round once on your selection panel round, but this time instead of talking more about your venture, you will definitely talk about what you're building, but you'll mostly talk about your learnings from the phase one, which will be now what is your problem statement, your cohesive problem statement, what's your ideal customer personas, and the amount of work that you have done. Basically, if you identify the customer persona, how many people have you gone to and spoken with? So basically, this all the learnings then comes into picture because these are the learnings that you will be pitching in the reviews. You will not come up with the same deck that you submitted during your application route. You have to talk about your learnings and basically uh, how much work that you have done and how much learning that you were able to take. Those will be the two parameters in which you will be judged and evaluated on.
Got it. Just one more doubt
Sure.
before you go ahead with
Hmm.
explaining all things.
Yeah.
It's a minor doubt. I just wanted to be in records. That's why I'm just
Hmm.
in between.
Hmm.
It's a confusion that on my calendar, from whatever you are booking, or let's say this
Hmm.
meeting, it is
Hmm.
booked from a Teams link. It's coming on my calendar from a team link. And on WhatsApp, you're sending on the Zoom link. So that's a little bit confusion because I'm always joining the team first because of the calendar. It's in my calendar. And second time when
Okay.
I'm seeing the WhatsApp, okay, I have to join now Zoom. That's one confusion.
Okay. Okay. I think for this meeting, this must have happened. So, uh, because we use the Microsoft Outlook, it automatically adds a default Teams link as well.
Got
Uh,
it.
yeah. So probably we'll make sure that the default link is not there. You will only see the Zoom. We only you will all, are only going to use the Zoom link
Okay.
only. So
Got it.
by
Got it.
default, you join the Zoom link if the Zoom link is there.
Got it.
But yeah, thank you for pointing that out.
Akshay, I think I haven't been added to any WhatsApp group. So what's the process for that?
Uh,
I'll just
that,
drop a link in the chat box right now for those who've not yet joined.
Okay. Was a mail given or something like that?
yes, the mail has gone to the email which was mentioned in the application. So
But
you have a co-founder?
no, I do have a co-founder, but I was the one who did all the application. I still didn't
Okay,
receive the mail. That's what I think.
okay, we'll cross-check because all the official emails have, because we know only two people whose emails were wrong, which are like coming back to us, the emails. But I think all the emails are
Okay.
going out. So check your spam folder also.
Okay. And regarding the rest of the Accubate platform,
Hmm.
did you send a mail regarding that too?
Yes, you will get all your credentials over emails only.
Okay. Then I think there is some issue with the mail because I haven't
Hmm.
received that mail too.
Okay. In future also, if anything like that happens, please reach out to us directly. Right,
Okay.
if there's a bigger problem, write over email, but you can directly reach out to us over in the group over WhatsApp as well.
Okay. Perfect.
Hi Akshay, this is Prarthana speaking.
Yes, hi, Bhavna.
I had like three
Hmm.
doubts.
Hmm.
First thing is like, what are the standard steps to follow the course? Is there we have any rubrics on which you're going to gauge the
Hmm.
startup?
So same thing, Pratna, which I was talking about. So you will see in the intro part as well, there are five things which are mentioned there, which the phase one will teach you about. So it will teach you about your problem statement, your ideal customer profile, ideal customer persona. It will teach you about the jobs to be done and all those things. What we ask you to present in the interviews is basically those five things combined. So for us, in your reviews, you're also going to talk about what you are building and what you've done so far, and then come into talking about, hey, from the phase one, we have learned about this. If you change your problem statement, let's say, if you come up with a different problem, you're solving for something else, but you realize that probably my problem statement was not refined. So if you're doing any changes, mention those as well. Um, let's say if you identify, you come up to know that probably my customer segment is something else. I was thinking of my users as my customers, and from post the course, I realized that my customers are something else. Mention those kind of things in your reviews. So your learnings, your growth, and your proof of work. How much work have you done?
Okay. And is there any expectation from us after every after the end of the course every week? Like
Yeah.
apart.
Every module will have assignments and submissions. So we expect you that you do that timely, and also, and also, we will do this. Like I will try to do this session AMA and doubt clearing session each week. In some of the weeks we try to have uh, let's say a founder and mentor joining in as well. Like some of the courses which involve some of our facilitators who are available, we'll try to get them if they can directly clear your doubts if you have any doubts regarding the videos which are uploaded.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yes, someone Klakhar, who mentioned that? Can you please repeat? Okay. So Arjun, I was telling the same thing calendar wise, which will be sent to you or email as well. But timeline wise, this week, the all the 9 modules will continue for the 6 week. Uh, the team will not be available from 24th December to 4th of January because that will be our downtime. On 5th on 6th of January, you will have your reviews. Like same thing, you will be allotted a half an hour slot where you're going to come and present, where you talk about where this time you're not going to present your pitch deck, but you will talk about your learnings and growth. Additionally, other than that, I'll like again request you to probably will see again why you're not being able to access your startup profile. But keep your startup profile updated because like with all the opportunities that we get, all the event information or the grant related opportunities that we get, we take that information about startups from their profiles. So just to give you an example that for the today we were taking information like some our CEO asked how many people have IP in your cohort profile about our previous venture, a previous cohort, and we went into their cohort profile and checked how many people have IP. So you also, if you have any kind of IP, any awards that you have received, any grants that you have received, please mention it in your profile. So it will be easier for us to sort and filter it out. Additionally, on Monday or Tuesday, we will share a document called Code of Conduct, which will be kind of an MOU with your venture and with an like with your venture and NSRCL, which will basically a guideline document, which is what is expected from you. We expect you to sign that document and upload it on your profile itself. Yes, like it depends. So on timeline wise, on when to upload and when not to upload, it's up to you. You will have week. You can finish it on the Friday or Saturday itself. Uh, the deadline to submission will be in 1 week's time. So plan your things accordingly. It's okay for the first week because you have just joined the cohort. But coming from the next week now, because you will have heads up also, we expect that once it opens, you complete it by Friday so that you can access the next modules. We'll try to sort it out by, let's say, tomorrow itself. But tomorrow we have an event, so cannot guarantee. But Monday, your starter profile and everything should be running. Great. Any other doubts? And yeah, if you have like, please note down any like doubts that you have or any thing that you want to get a like a clarity on the course side of it, on the video side, if or any concept that you think that you would want to probably discuss with someone. We'll try to get someone who can explain those concepts to you. Uh, and if not, we will open this channel for the uh, peer learning as well. Like within the group, also you can discuss what you have learned, how you are applying those concepts in your venture. What we can also do is we'll try to group you according to the venture or according to the sector that you are operating in. So we've seen that we have a lot of AI ventures, we have a lot of healthcare ventures. We can probably create a separate group for those so that you can share your learnings and share your connects as well within your group, within your subgroup. Uh, okay, those who have not received their credential will give you some extra time. Don't worry about it. Okay, any other questions? If not, I'll just because we have 10 minutes more. Someone who have not been able to give their introductions and wants to do it now, please feel free to do that. Who were not able to do that during the kickoff call.
Akshay, just before that,
Yes.
like I think there's some issue with the mailing system. So is it possible that we could update our email IDs right now for all further communication? Because I
Write
think
it. Can you write this over email that you've not been able
to
to get the emails and probably
okay,
which
okay.
email that you want. We'll address it.
Sure, sure. Should I send it to you, address it to you, or an assassin?
The campus founders email.
Okay, fine, perfect.
Also the week 1 task, I guess it's not opening, right? So you're gonna clear that, like, we're gonna sort it
Yes,
out a
yes,
bit later.
yes, yeah.
Oh,
Okay, in terms of timeline, I mentioned it before as well that each module will have a week's timeline. So you can submit your assignment on the first day itself, but the Friday will be the deadline to complete the modules. Okay, I think I see a few people who have not been able to introduce. If you want to introduce yourself, can get instructions to ideal customer group for startup with help of okay. If you need any kind of help related to, let's say, reaching out to someone, you can write it to us over email. Uh, if it's related to assignment, will definitely help. Uh, yes. Uh, okay. If anyone wants to introduce, please feel free. Otherwise, we can close this session if you don't have any other doubts. Okay. I think we are done. Then we'll do this on each Friday or each Friday evening. This time itself. Any doubts, anything that you want to get clarity on, please join these sessions. We can try to have a peer learning groups here as well so that you can discuss your learnings with each other. Okay, then. Thank you so much, guys. We'll sort all these issues and we'll get back to you by Monday. Thank you so much.
Done.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So much. Thank you.
thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.